Hello guys, today we are learn about how to install VLC media player. So the VLC media player is a media player that which जो कि हमें वीडियोस या ऑडियो चलाना दिखाता है। अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर न्यू आए हैं तो सबसे पहले आपसे गुजारिश है कि आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लें। तो शुरू करते हैं हम आज की वीडियो हाउ टू इंस्टॉल VLC मीडिया प्लेयर। So first of all, we download VLC Media Player for Google. Okay, VLC, type VLC. Okay, now open this first website. Now here the VLC Media Player version. We how to check the window bit. Okay, window how to check window bit in my computer. So first of all, we go to this PC and right click on it, and now properties. Okay, this is about Hunny, name Hunny, processor this, and the installed and 16, and the system type 64-bit operating system. So we download 16-bit 64-bit VLC media player. 64-bit VLC media player. Okay, now I have to click download. The VLC media player is downloading now. Okay, after the download, we click on see here. The VLC media player is here downloaded. Now we open the file. Okay, click here to verify publisher WLAN file organ program location. Okay, now click on yes. Now this is the welcome media player. Next, upgrade VLC. I have already installed VLC media player. Now click on upgrade VLC media player. Okay, now this is installing. Ignore. Okay, the VLC media player is upgrading. After the upgrade, now VLC media player is installed now. Now here is the settings. VLC media player is installed. Okay, thank you so much for watching our videos. Right, Allah Hafiz.